I would like to thank the Asset for bringing us together at this important moment in Asia's bond market evolution. AIB brings us experience from the international capital markets and hopes to contribute to the internationalization of China's bond market by providing high-quality assets that attract interest from the global investor community.
I thought that it was a very good event for the main reason that the Chinese financial markets, in my view, are finally coming to front stage. I was impressed that there was an overview of the banking industry and then ended up with ETFs. But it's a starting point for China's markets to develop even further.
It is very interactive forum that we have pools for the audience to choose from, and we can see what they want to hear or want to know the most.
Thank you, Asset, for the invitation. This is actually my third introduction to the Assets. I think the Nanjing event is excellent. Given that Nanjing, in my opinion, is such an emerging, growing capital market city, outside of Shanghai, which is very close by. And I do believe that the Asset is doing an amazing job being some great expert and to give the audience such a great trend of what's happening in the marketplace. So again, the Asset, thank you very much for having me.
Well, I'm very excited to see that the Assets play such a pivotal role in connecting the regions, and particularly through the very thoughtful programming to bring the insights within the region and share it with outside of the region. I think at this time where there's a huge information barrier, it's more than needed for the great work that you do. So please go to more regions with this insightful programming, and the outer world would understand Asia and China much better.
那中国债券市场呢，始终是坚持市场机制和产品体系创新，不断深化对外的开放，并取得了可喜的进展。
首先我能够看到一个这么多元化 diversified 的这个 panelist 还是比较少见的，因为相对来说，可能我们平时能看到又有港资，然后又有监管，内地的这些监管部门，又有内地的一些比较头部的一些券商的参与度，本来这种活动比较少，所以我觉得首先这个 panelist 请的是非常少，非常好的，然后我也是有蛮多的一些投资上的一些收获的，很感谢组织方的整个的组织以及各位这个 panelist 和大家的参与。
亚洲债券市场蕴含着巨大的合作潜力和发展机遇。人民银行江苏省分行将坚持市场化、法治化、国际化的改革方向，持续推进债券市场高水平对外开放。
First of all, thank you, the Asset, actually inviting me to join this event. I think the event is very fruitful. I think there's a very good turnout rate. There are different kind of clients, including asset managers, corporates, and so on and so forth. And then I think the anticipations by the client actually is very much engaged. And there are a lot of questions actually before and after the seminar and the speaking slot and so on.
I think first of all, thanks for having this event in Nanjing, because it's a very unique location that we usually will not visit. And also I think given the attendance here, I was pleasantly surprised by the mixture of people that I can meet here, because I think a lot of them, surprisingly, I've met them on LinkedIn. They are like my net friends that we've never met. We've only discussed about businesses on emails. So I'm very surprised I'm meeting them here today, and then the variety of topics that we can discuss was beyond my expectations. So I thought maybe I should join more of the events that you host.
非常满意今天由 Asset 在南京举办的这个债券和 ETF 做市的活动，我觉得 很有收获，而且请的这个嘉宾都是业内非常专业的人士，整个对市场的解读、对未来方向的把握都很有嘉宾自己的见地。然后参加这样的活动，让我们从中也学到了很多未来市场的一个方向性的东西，对于未来更好的开展业务是非常有助力的事情。谢谢。